30 must-have tech gadgets for modern travelers in 2025. The ultimate portable tech guide. Traveling isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey, and in 2025, technology is here to make that journey easier, safer, and more enjoyable. In this video, we're bringing you the ultimate guide to 30 top tech gadgets that every modern traveler should know about. From gadgets that keep you connected in remote locations to tools that ensure safety, organization, and even entertainment, you'll find insightful recommendations for every kind of trip. So grab your travel gear and let's dive right in. Staying connected is non-negotiable, whether you're traveling for business or leisure. These devices ensure that you're never out of touch, no matter where you are. One essential device for 2025 is the global Wi-Fi hotspot. Portable and lightweight, these devices provide seamless global internet access in over 100 countries, eliminating expensive roaming charges. Hotspots now come with advanced battery life and app controls to monitor usage in real time. For even greater flexibility, eSIM solutions deliver unparalleled convenience. They allow you to switch between different mobile data plans without needing a physical SIM card, making them indispensable for frequent travelers hopping between countries. Signal strength can be an issue when exploring off-the-beaten-path locations. This is where signal boosters save the day, ensuring your mobile and Wi-Fi connectivity remains strong, even in remote areas. Next, let's talk about staying charged. Running out of power is the ultimate travel nightmare. Thankfully, these power solutions have you covered. Start with a high-capacity power bank. The latest models are incredibly compact while offering multiple ports and ultra-fast charging technology to power all your devices at once. Equally handy are solar chargers built with sustainability in mind. These foldable panels capture solar energy efficiently, making them perfect for long treks or eco-conscious adventurers venturing off-grid. For those juggling multiple gadgets, a compact multi-port charger offers an all-in-one charging solution. Capable of charging your laptop, phone, and smartwatch simultaneously, these chargers reduce cable clutter and save time. Safety is vital when traveling, and these tech tools add a much-needed layer of security for peace of mind. Let's start with GPS-enabled personal trackers, which ensure you or your loved ones can always be found, whether you're scaling remote mountains or exploring a bustling city. These compact devices offer real-time tracking via smartphone apps and even come with emergency SOS features. Then there are RFID-blocking wallets used to protect your sensitive data. With identity theft on the rise, having a wallet that securely stores credit cards and passports while preventing unauthorized scans is becoming essential for any traveler. Finally, pack a smart travel lock. These advanced locks come with Bluetooth or fingerprint controls to ensure that only you can access your luggage, all without a traditional key. Long airport waits and downtime during trips no longer need to be boring. These gadgets ensure you're entertained wherever you go. First up are noise-canceling headphones. Lightweight yet powerful, these headphones block out background noise, letting you fully immerse yourself in music, podcasts, or movies, even on noisy flights or train rides. Another favorite is the miniature projector. Small enough to slip into your bag, these portable devices can project stunning visuals onto any surface, perfect for those who enjoy movie nights while traveling. Lastly, advanced e-readers let you carry an entire library in a single portable device. With adaptive lighting and week-long battery life, these are ideal companions for lengthy trips. Packing smart is the foundation of stress-free travel, and these gadgets are here to help. Start with smart organizers, which are lifesavers for tech enthusiasts. These stylish cases keep your cables, chargers, and accessories neatly stored, preventing annoying tangles or misplaced items. For remote workers or digital nomads, the foldable Bluetooth keyboard is a must-have. This compact gadget transforms your phone or tablet into a full workstation, enabling productivity even on the move. Modern smart suitcases are a game changer for packing efficiency. These high-tech bags feature integrated weight scales, GPS tracking, and USB ports, merging convenience and practicality like never before. Travel often comes with physical discomfort, especially during long trips, but these gadgets make it easy to stay comfortable no matter the journey. The innovative travel pillow is designed with cutting-edge ergonomic engineering to ensure optimal neck and head support, making long flights or train rides far less taxing. Complementing this is the compact ergonomic seat cushion, which reduces pressure on your back and hips, perfect for transforming those cramped airplane seats into a more bearable experience. Finally, add an adaptive wearable blanket to your packing list. This versatile gadget doubles as a blanket and stylish travel shawl, offering warmth and functionality through temperature-regulating materials. Sometimes, unexpected challenges can arise while traveling. Here's a lineup of gadgets that provide quick solutions. The portable air purifier is a must-have for those heading to cities with pollution concerns or staying in less than ideal accommodations. These compact devices freshen the air around you by reducing allergens and contaminants. Another standout is the adaptive temperature water bottle, which keeps beverages hot or cold for hours while intelligently displaying the temperature on its digital screen. And for travelers venturing into non-English speaking countries, handheld language translators remove communication barriers. With real-time translation capabilities across dozens of languages, these pocket-sized devices enable seamless conversations. Eco-conscious travel is becoming more important, and these gadgets help you protect the planet while exploring it. The solar-powered backpack is an excellent example. Equipped with solar panels, this backpack can charge your devices as you walk, reducing your reliance on conventional energy sources. Another brilliant innovation is biodegradable charging cables, made from environmentally friendly materials that break down naturally over time. They're a fantastic option for reducing e-waste. Lastly, the reusable smart water bottle takes hydration to the next level by tracking how much water you're drinking. Many models also feature UV disinfecting systems to ensure your bottle stays clean while cutting down single-use plastics. While we've covered 27 gadgets so far, a few more deserve the spotlight. How about a pocket-sized drone for aerial photography? Or perhaps a pair of augmented reality glasses to bring your travel experiences to life? These are a few bonus ideas to explore that might suit niche travel needs. And that's the complete lineup of the top 30 travel tech gadgets for 2025. From connectivity tools to eco-friendly innovations, these devices are thoughtfully designed to make your trips smarter, safer, and infinitely more enjoyable. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a once-a-year explorer, there's something on this list for everyone. Which gadgets caught your eye, and which are essentials for your next trip? Share your favorites in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech-forward tips to enhance your travel and lifestyle adventures. See you on your next journey.